Yeah, this is the farm. This is actually the rubber farm. It's so foggy right now. It's always nice to be here. See? It's really foggy, guys. It's amazing. And my friends here, I will call him Batutoy. A baby. I call him a baby because he is a baby. Come here, a baby. Are you a baby? What happened to you? You miss me? You miss me a lot? Okay, let's go. Let's go. They are my company here. Oh, and another one. That one is, the big one is a shy type. Okay. Indong. Wow. It is like the farm has a smoke machine. Indong. Dali. Dali, guys. That is a Bisaya term for come here. See? Oh. Ay. Tapos ka naman, oy. You're done naman. Huh? Okay. That is the rubber. And this one. So, there is another dog here tied up. And I guess this is a perfect opportunity to explain, guys, why this is tied up and the other two are not. So first, this Batlungon, because this is very not behaved. First, we need to tie this dog. It is because, number one, he will eat the latex of the rubber, and that is not good for them. Okay. Number two reason, we are living in the mountains, and there's a cliff over there, and there's a lot of wild animals, especially big snakes. When this pet goes to the cliff, he might be a meal. It is a perfect meal for the snakes. Okay? Second, he's roaming around, and this house, the owner, will only came here daytime. So during nighttime, he's roaming around. And you know, we're here in the mountains. We can't please everyone, and we don't know everyone roam around here in the forest. So, he is vulnerable on hunting. So that is why. Before he is free, this pet is, this pet is free like others. Yeah, but then it happens that it is more risky if we will not tie him. Yeah, I understand that we should give them a freedom to play, to freely run, but it's a battle of choice. If we are going to give him a freedom to play and run around here, then we are just putting his life in a danger. I hope I could understand, and you also understand that not every pet should be allowed to freely play, especially in the open area. Yeah, I condemn for those pets that are tied up when it is in a closed, like in a compound, that you can able to pay attention to them every now and then. But for this, you can't. And yeah, because there is one person who concerned. I understand, though. I understand the feeling because I am also a pet lover. But yeah, as I've mentioned, it is a battle of choices. So yes, that's it. And I'm here again in the farm. Guys, for those who don't know yet, this is Acapulco. This is the flower of Acapulco. It has a, not pleasant smell. And morning time, when the sun is not rise yet, the leaves is closed, and the younger leaves, while the older leaves are slightly open. So yeah, it's a beautiful, but not good smell. Yeah, that is Acapulco. So I already started harvesting, guys. A rubber. And I'm starving. I'm so hungry. So this is my lunch box. Now it's 6 o'clock in the morning. So I have eggs here. So let's just eat egg for a meantime. Then later, okay, this one, because it's really starving. There is the salt here. Okay, there is a salt. See? Okay, because it's really starving, guys. Hungry ba? Hungry. Okay. So later will be the formal breakfast. As of now, this is just a snack. To make it two, that's easy. When you are a farmer, you should also be a Boy Scout. Ay, arte-arte. Don't be arte-arte ba? Like this. Because I'm really starving. I finished on that row. Maybe my hands is not look. Actually, it's dirty. But it no bacteria on that. This is for lunch. Though I have another dish, dried fish and chicken adobo. No wash of hands. Kaya, you know, Filipinos farmers has a strong immunity. Then let's back again to work. Quick snack. So this is our work, rubber farming, harvesting rubber. As you see, using this knife, okay. So this is the latex. Okay, gets latex. Then this is the container. It's sunny day. The weather is really good today. It's 6 o'clock in the morning, and this is my daily dose of view. See? So it's time to breakfast, guys. So we get water. So this is where we are going to get a water. This is where we are going to get water. It's a fresh water from the mountain. Look at that. You see that? Okay. That is our drinking water. Okay. See? We have water. Let's wash our hands, guys. Mag-eat man tayo ng breakfast. So, let's have breakfast. Let's go. This is my we're going to sit down here. Rhyming. Okay. Oh. Dried fish, chicken, the egg. This is for lunch. The rice. So let's eat.
Well done. Refreshing.
Okay, back to work again. Oh, after breakfast, back to work. See? Back to work. So, back to work. Alright. We need to guide this one, guys. Huh? Enjoy lang gud da. Let's enjoy our journey of being a rubber farmer. Dugay ba? So you have to wait, especially on this. From here, it goes through so long, so you have to wait, because if not, it will not go through the right way, and it will be a wastage like this. So see, let's finish this. Oh. It's time to go home with my new hat.